Okay, so welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. This is part 2 of my fall decor videos that I'm doing. Again, I did the tier tray. I'm doing the mantle in my front entry table. This is part 2. And then I'm going to get everything decorated. I'm going to see what I will need to change up. You might see some changes, who knows. And then I'm going to do a fall home tour so I can kind of just show you how everything came together and what the final product looks like. So today, we're gonna get in and we're gonna start on the mantle. And I'm just gonna show you, I've got kind of an idea, but I'm just gonna work with what I've got and just move forward with it. So here we go. So as you can see here, I just put up the greenery, and then I picked up a couple of twigs of the same from Magnolia from Target, Hearth and Hand flower leaves. Isn't that the most gorgeous, like burgundy? It's not too deep, but it's just a gorgeous. So I wanted to tie in the wreath, and then I just put this nice light and bright with the greens and the creams along with the beautiful wreath. And now I'm just going to decorate it kind of simply. I'm going to do a little bit more around the house than so much in one spot. So now I'm just going to fill in with pumpkins, and then I always decorate this with ornaments that I get from Hobby Lobby. So that'll just kind of tie it all in, and maybe some pumpkins on the hearth. So here we go. Okay, so that's gonna do it. I think it turned out really good. You know what, like I said, I'm gonna have a home tour. So I may switch some things around. I may, change out a little bit of color or whatever, but I think I'm really happy with this, how this all turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a final tour of what everything looks like. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and please take a couple seconds to hit the subscribe button and join our family here. We're all about motivating, and I'm just here to inspire, and I hope I did that to you or for you today, and that when you get going on your holiday decor, that maybe I could give you some ideas that you can use in your home. I'd love to see any pictures or anything that you guys do that you got maybe an inspiration from me. I would love to see. So thanks for watching part 2. The next one will be the fall home tour. So thanks for watching. Bye.
I love from my entryway to my home when guests are coming in, I love that to just be warm and inviting. I always have a candle there. I always, have some kind of warm, welcoming signs. Just making it as welcoming and cozy as I can. I'm really, really happy with how the mantle came out, or just the fireplace in general. I think it's beautiful, it's simplistic, it's not overdone, and I just think that the colors are just warm, and that's what I wanted in the family room, to be just a very cozy and warm, inviting room.